exposing the game changer in axle repairs. United Axle's patented design is about to blow your mind. United Axle of North Alabama is revolutionizing the axle repair industry with their innovative patented replaceable spindle design. Imagine getting back on the road faster and more efficiently than ever before. That's exactly what United Axle offers. From semi-trucks to concrete trucks, they've got you covered. Their services include axle and spindle repair and replacement. With mobile service available throughout northern Alabama, no more long waits in the shop. United Axle comes to you. Their groundbreaking design simplifies the repair process, cutting downtime and saving you both time and money. It's not just a repair, it's a reliable, efficient alternative to traditional methods. So, whether you're driving a bus, a commercial truck, or a dump truck, trust United Axle to keep your wheels turning smoothly. Drive into the future with United Axle today.